Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Python Mania. Today I am going to show how to create a program of prime number. A prime number means a number which is divisible by 1 in itself. Let's start. First I am taking a variable n equals to int. Within bracket input, again first bracket, enter any number, double quotes, close two brackets. In this line I have given two brackets. First bracket for integer type, you have to declare the type of the variable, that is int, that is integer type, which can store an integer value without any decimal value. The variable name is n, and input means user have to enter the value, and within green color written text is, that is your comment. Within double quotes you can write any comment that I have written, enter any number. Next line, you have to declare a counter c equals to 0. What is the need of this counter? I will tell you later. Then I am running a loop for I in range, within bracket it will start from 1 comma n plus 1 comma 1. What is the use of loop? Because when you are going to enter a number n, suppose I am taking a number n as 7, so loop will start from 1 to 7. The loop variable is I, which is starting from 1 to n plus 1. If the number is 7, it will run till n plus 1, it is till 8, but it will execute till 7. And the first part of the loop, that is 1, this is your initial value of the loop, this part is initial value of the loop, and this part is the final value of the loop, and this is your step value. How it will change after every interval. This step value is 1. After finish this line, I have given a colon because loop is a statement which runs under a bracket. In Python there is no need of bracket, you have to write a colon. After, when you press enter, it will take some place from left side. This is known as tabulations. Now you have given one more conditions. It is if n mod, this percentage sign is mod sign. Mod means remainder. When you divide n by I equals to 0, then it will calculate the remainder. If the number is n is 7 and you are dividing I, that means I is initially is 1, you are dividing n mod I or n by I, then you are getting as remainder 0. But the left side of the statement is 0 and right side is also 0. If both the sides are same, then it is a divisible. That means I have given a number 7 and I am dividing by 7 by 1, that is I is initially 1, 7 mod I is equal to 0, that means it is divisible. That means the counter value c will increase by 1, c equals to c plus 1. In the same way, again it will run if n is 7 and next time I will be 2, 7 mod 2 is not equals to 0, that is why counter value remains same. 7 mod 3 is also not equals to 0, 4 is not 0, 5 is not 0, 6 is not 0, but 7 mod 7 is again 0. That means in case of 7 mod 7, left side will be 0 and right side also is given as 0, both the sides are same, then again c will be increased by 1. That means after completion of loop, c will be 2. That is why outside of the loop you have to give a conditions if within bracket c equals to 2 within colon, then write a print statement, print within bracket, that is n comma within double quotes is a prime number, double quotes close bracket. In next line again you have to give a else statement within colon, print n comma within double quotes is not a prime number. This is your program. Now it is finished. I'm just running the program. Control, just press F5. It will ask to save. I'm saving a prime number. Then press enter. Now it will ask for number. I'm entering a 7. It will show 7 is a prime number. Again, I'm closing this. I'm giving another number. F5. Suppose I'm giving 19. It is also a prime number. F5. I'm giving a 12. It is not a prime number, so it will show it is not a prime number. This is the program of prime number. Thank you.